English awardee, Conduct awardee, Outstanding Drama Art Corps, GSP awardee, Dance Palabas Dancer, Outstanding Ukulele Ensemble member. She will also receive a certificate of recognition for being an officer of SELG. Congratulations! GSP awardee, Sinulog dancer, outstanding ukulele ensemble member, and she got a certificate of recognition as an SELG officer.
With a heart full of gratitude, humbled by the opportunity to share this moment with all of you. I want to express my deepest thanks, first and foremost, to our Almighty Lord Jesus Christ, for the strength, knowledge, and guidance He has given us throughout this journey. We may have faced a lot of challenges, but we persevered and we are here today because of His grace. To my ever-supportive family, my parents, grandparents, titos, titas, kuya, friends, and cousins, thank you so much. I am truly grateful for your presence here today. Thank you so much for all the unwavering support, encouragement, and even when I doubted myself. You were there to lift me up and believe in me. All of this means the whole world to me. Your love and sacrifices have been instrumental in my journey. And to all the parents here today, please know that your love, sacrifices, and constant encouragement have been the foundation of everything we have achieved. Today, we share this moment with you because without you, none of this would have been possible. Thank you for always being there for us, cheering us on every step of the way. To our teachers, a big thank you for unwavering dedication, patience, and the countless hours you spent on nurturing our minds and igniting our curiosity. You've taught us more than just textbooks and assignments. You've taught us the values of hard work, responsibility, and kindness. This will all stay with us forever, not just in our minds, but in our hearts. Thank you so much, Ma'am, for being our mentors, guides, and motivators. Looking back at my elementary journey, it feels like time has flown by. I still remember my first day at kindergarten, nervous and excited, unsure of what to expect, but little did I know that this journey would shape me into who I am today. To my fellow graduates, we've faced a lot of challenges, but we've grown together. And through every experiences, we've learned the importance of perseverance and teamwork. The memories we've created here, both the hard times and the good, will stay with us forever. As we prepare for our next chapter, I want to remind us all that this is just the beginning. High school is just around the corner, and there will be new challenges and opportunities waiting for us. But let's carry with us everything we've learned here and the friendship we've cherished. Let's never forget the values of kindness, hard work, and resilience that have gotten us this far and made a positive impact on the world. To my fellow graduates, congratulations! We did it, and no matter where we go, we'll always carry a part of the school and each other with us. Thank you and congratulations, Grade 6, Batch 2024-2025.
Naman duha ro sa
We will be back to our seats.